finally get to see whether the expectations for this tournament meet reality.
Oh, that is fantastic from Royal, never give up. They've killed Huhi. He's down. Double kill for Woosh. And CLG are punished. Very good stun for Council Logic Gaming. A double kill for Stixay. He manages to 90 caliber net. Finds the triple. Looking for the quadra. Show who's running for his life.
Trick could also steal. This is going to be another
And
steal.
it's stolen! Another Baron steal! The team fight's gonna break out. Kickers, he's taking a lot of damage. Trick is gonna buy as much time as he can with Lamb's respite, but it's Castle that comes out victorious. The Flash Wolves take down G2 for the first win at MSI 2016. He's still got the chrono break. It's stolen! It's stolen for the third time today! A Baron steal is in effect. Is the final push, Jack, as SKT, the pre-tournament favorites, turn their attention over to the Nexus. They drop the Nexus.
I need to kill them before they come to a barrel. He'll steal it. Hey, shoot this guy. He goes for the ward. Alright, I'm go.
I'm going on them.
I'm going.
They can't go in. They can't go in.
Jay's got it.
I got them. I got them.
Let me out. Let Jay do it. Do the Baron.
I got them.
I can let you.
6A Naframu standing toe-to-toe with Naple, and now it's Karsa. Karsa comes out. It's only a few shots from this many items on a Caitlyn, and that's gonna look to be the necklace. The necklace. The Nexus. The Nexus. And the necklace. And he's gonna stay alive throughout. It gets the heal from Bang. They're gonna be going for the full fight. Summoners used across the board. The exhaust as well from Wolf, and they're locking down the priority target. 2 worlds, 5 OGN splits, in a very possible run now to an MSI championship. More people coming from the side. MLXG will come in as well. That's not going to hit, and he's forced to stay on the backside, but they will clean up the fight. It only took a matter of time. RNG looking very good on the home turf, and they're going to go 2-0 on day 1.